Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain some methods in the string. In my previous video, I explained about the string. So in this video, I'm going to cover the methods. So before going further, I will be explaining some important points. So in the string, the string object doesn't support item assessment. That is, a string can only be replaced with a new string since its content cannot be partially replaced. Strings are immutable in Python. Means what? What is the meaning of immutable? Means which we cannot change. Which we cannot change is nothing but the immutable. So in the Python, the strings are immutable. Means the thing we cannot change. Means if we assign some value to the some particular variable of that string, we cannot change that value. So if you want to change or we want to update or modify any part of the string value, we have to create again the new string and we have to assign the value which we want, but we cannot change the existing value or existing string. Okay, I'll explain you with the example for the more understanding. Let's take the example as str as a variable name and strings should be in the double quotes, and we'll be writing here Java program. But we want to replace the small j with a capital J. Okay, it is possible. Let's try. So the first small j, the index value is 0. So at the 0 index value, we want to replace the small j with a capital J. Okay, we kept like this, and we want to put in this string. It is possible. Let's see. See, it is not possible. It is coming like type error. Means str means the string object does not support item assignment. Means in the Python, the modifying the string value is not possible. So Python will not support this type of thing. So if you want to change, we have to replace this with other new value. In this way we can use like this thing. If you want to use in this way we can use, but we cannot replace the specific character. We cannot replace the or modify the specific character. If we want to change, we have to change the whole value where we want to change. In this way we can use. Now we will not get any type of error. So now we are getting the updated, the latest value of the string, not this older one. Okay, which is the latest one that will be coming. Okay, understood? It is not possible, okay, to update the specific character when we assign a value to the string. Okay, this is the important point which you have to remember. Next, let's see next point. Next one is we cannot delete or remove the characters from the string. Means if we assign some value or some characters or some text to the particular string, we cannot delete them. If we want to delete, we can delete the whole the string value, but we cannot delete the specific characters. We cannot delete the specific characters. Like before example, we cannot modify the specific character, but if you want to change, we have to change whole value of the string. Similarly, we cannot delete the specific character. We can delete the whole string, but specific character cannot be deleted. So that thing. So to delete the string value, we have to use this keyword DLE, del. So let's try practically. Yeah, let's take this example only. We want to delete the particular, we have to use the del keyword, and we want to remove the specific index value, which is 5. Fifth index value should be removed. Means what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So P have to be removed. Means, so what will come? Let's see. Here error we are getting. Means str means the string object doesn't support the item deletion. Means in the Java, while we are working with the string, deletion also it's not possible. If we want to delete the particular thing, we can use in this way. Suppose in this way, see, yes. So del str means this string is removed, so that it is coming like it's a class str, so the string is empty, so that it is coming in this way. So now let's try to print the difference. You will be understanding the difference between before deletion and after the deletion. So let's see this thing. Yeah, before deleting what will come, after deleting what it will come. See, before deleting, as usually what we want to print, the same thing is coming, showing. But when we use this del keyword, it is coming in this way because the string value which is assigned to str is deleted. Understood? And these two things are very important. You have to remember while working with the strings concept. Okay. Now let's move to the methods. We have some methods which we have to learn in the string. So let's see practically. Initially, this Java program is in the form of a lowercase letters. So if we want to replace this lowercase to the uppercase, we can use by using the method as lower. So look at here. So the variable name is str dot lower. We can use this keyword which is lower. Okay. So actually this is in the lowercase only, no? So we want to replace this lowercase to the uppercase. We can use this thing. Oh yeah, you should be in the smaller case. Yeah, now it's correct. Yeah, it is showing in the uppercase only. Okay, the lowercase is converted into the uppercase. Similarly, we can convert the uppercase to lowercase also by replacing this lower to upper to the lower. Suppose we have some uppercase letters like this, assume we have in this way, like in some places we have uppercase letters. We want to replace all with the lowercase letters. We don't want in this way. We want to replace everything which are in the lowercase to the uppercase. So see, some are in the lowercase, some are in the uppercase. The whole string value should be in the lowercase. We are saying that dot lower. Yeah. Now let's see what will be. See, everything is going to print in the lowercase. So depending upon our situation, we can use the lowercase method or the uppercase method. So L and U should be in the smaller case while using the here. Okay. This is the one type. This is one method. These are some methods. Similarly, we have some lowercase and uppercase. Similarly, we have starts with and ends with. Suppose let's say it is starting with a capital J. Yes, let's see. Str, which is a variable name, George, start with. So let's see the start with. We can take the single quotes, capital G. Yes. So here it will be returning the boolean value. If it is starting with the capital G, it prints true. If not, false. In similarly, we can use the ends with also. Ends with. Ends S will come. Okay. Ends with. So we'll say here ends with E. Yeah. So it is ending with E? No. Means here we'll get false. It is starting with capital J only. So what will come? Let's see. Uh, Here also it's we have to say starts. Okay, it starts with ends with. So the small mistakes also you have to see. Okay, now you have to understand the method. What is the method? So in the lower and upper case, the U and L should be in the smaller case, and the starts with and ends with should be having ends starts. So the small mistakes also you have to see. Yeah, now it's printing. Means yes, it is starting with a capital G, so it is printing J, and it's not ending with E, so that it's printing false. So let's try with a smaller case. What will come? Yeah, false only. Means in the Python They are case sensitive, means the smaller a and capital A are the different, which I explained ASCII table. So the small a value and the capital A value ASCII values are different, means small a is different, capital A is different. So similar here also, capital J is different, small j is different. So the case sensitive. Okay. Similarly, you know how to find the index value, I think so. Let's see that thing also. If you want to know the index value of some 3 or 4 something, so it will be printing like p. So the index value of the place of index value of 4 is p. So 0 1 2 3 4. So the fourth place index is p, so it's printing p. Okay. Even we can use the replace also. So print str dot, sorry, str dot, here we have to use a keyword as replace, where r is in the lowercase. You have to remember, in this we have to use the first value as older value, and the next value is what we want to replace, where we want to replace. So in the first, so we'll be having here the first place we have to fill with the older value, where we want to specific place where we want to replace, comma, the new value what we want to replace instead of that old value. Understood? So I want to replace this Java. In the place of Java, I want to replace with a Python. Yeah. So the older thing is Java. In the place of this Java, I want to replace the Python program. So let's see what will be coming. Think what we did the mistake. You should understand the mistake also, so that you will be, so that you can increase the thinking power, so that I'm doing some mistakes, so that you should identify where I did mistakes. So identify where we did. Here the string should be, I said the strings should be specified in the double quotes. So here I didn't mention any double quotes or single quotes at least. So here we got error. We can use the single quote or double quote, it's not an issue. The strings always should be represented in the quotations. See, now it's printing as usual without any error, because we have to use the string in the single quotes or the double quotes. Okay, in the quotations we have to represent while using the strings. Understood? So now in the place of Java, we used replaced with a Python. Okay, I think you understood. Next, even we have a count method also we can use in this way. Str.count of a means this a character, how many times it is repeating in the string. So the a is repeating 3 times in this particular string value. A is repeating 3 times. So it can print this thing also, how many times it is going to print. How many times it is going to print the particular character. In this way also we can use. This method also we can use count. We have another method like split. So in this we have a Java program. So if we want to split this Java and program, so we want gap over here. So the Java should be printed separately and the program should be printed separately. So we can use split also. So to split the Java and the Python program. Okay. So we can use this method. So by using this method, the Java and the program will be separated with the comma. Let's see how it will come. Yeah. See. So it is showing in the form of a list because it is in the form of a square brackets. Okay, the list concept will be coming soon. So till now, as of now, you remember like list will be in the form of a square brackets. Okay, then so this Java and the program is separated with a comma. So in this way we can split also. We have split method also. Even we can find the length of the string also, string value. So suppose if you want to know the length also, it's possible. Yeah. See, 12. the length of this Java program, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this gap also it will be considering. So this gap also it will consider as a one character. Okay, let's now it is 12, no? Let's remove this gap. What it will come? Let's see. See, 11 means the gap is also mandatory. The gap also will be checking. Okay, yeah, the gap also will comes under one character. Let's try the index value in this way. So actually the length of this string value is still 11. So if you want to print the 15th place, what it will come? See, we are getting the error, means index error, index out of bound error, means the 15th place is not there. So it's out of bound. So index out of bound range in this string, it is not there till 15, till 12 only we have. So 15 is not there. So it's coming in this way. Index error. So this type of error is nothing but the index error. Okay. Remember. Okay. Understood. If we print out of the range index value, if we try to print the out of range value, we'll get a error, type error, or sorry, index error, means that particular index is not included. Okay, this is out of range. Okay, this type of error will be coming. We have the strip method also. What is the strip method? Ante it will be removing the gaps between the string. So it removes the gap. Suppose here we have some gap over here and we have a gap over here. So it will be removing these gaps. Okay, let's try to print this thing. Yeah, it is removing the gaps from left side and from right side. So what are the gaps are there in left side and what are the gap is there in the right side. So similarly we have left strip and right strip also, means we can remove that thing left strip and we can remove the right gap. So we can remove right gap and left gap by using the L strip and the right strip. This also I'll show you practically. Assume this is the value of the string and we are using the L strip. So L strip means only the left gap will be removed. Let's run. So we are getting error. What error? Yeah, we have to use the lowercase. And yeah, see, the left side gap is removed and this thing is not removed. Right side gap is not removing, just only the left gap is removed by using the L strip. Similarly we can use R also in this way by using the R. So the right side gap can be removed. See now, yeah, left gap is there as usually, but right gap is removed. Understood? L strip is nothing but the left gap will be removed, this thing, and R string is nothing but R gap will be removed, means the right side gap will be removed. This is the difference between the slip, L slip, R slip. Yeah, these are some methods. We have a mini methods. So as of now, these are some important methods which will be using these methods. Majorly we'll be using these methods, and we have more methods which you have to refer. Okay, these are some methods which I explained. Again I will be explaining from starting. So we have some method as lower, where we have to use this L as in the lower case to print the string in the lower case, and similarly we have upper also to print the string in the upper case. So if you want to print the lower case or upper case, we can print the string value. Next, starts with the ends with, means we can even check the particular string starts with a particular character or ends with a particular character. In this way also we can use, and we can have this index value also to check the particular index value. If we use out of range the index value, we'll get a error. So out of index value, if you want to try to print that out of index value, we'll get a error which is out of range error. Okay, which is that way. Next, we can even replace the particular value. Means if you want to replace this Java with Python, we can replace the first. We have to enter the lower, the old thing which we want to replace, where we want to replace that older value, and next comma the new value. So where we want to replace that older value with the new value. Okay. Next, count. We can use this count also. How many times this thing is printing? How many times this character is printing? So in this way also we can use, and we can have some split also to split the two words in the form of a list. In the form of a list, to convert the strings to the list, we can use the split. Even we can find the length of that string value, and we can use the strip to remove the gaps of starting and the ending left and right. To remove the both left and right, we'll be using the slip. L slip means only the left gap will be removed. R slip means we can remove the right side gap. So these are some methods which we'll be using in the strings. We have more methods which you have to refer. And that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.